Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel on this beautiful but cold winter day. It's December 26th, and even though it's sunny, the temperature is very cold. It's -6 at the moment. My hands are cold, but once I get jumping rope here for a little bit longer, I'll feel very warm. Great to get some sunshine, some vitamin D while wearing shorts. It's so cold, my rope is starting to twist and curl up, and that's something I'll talk about in a video that I'll make after this one. But for this video, I wanted to share a clip from a video that I watched this morning with two MMA fighters, Sugar Sean O'Malley and Tim Welch. I started following Sean O'Malley's career only there recently. He's a very entertaining fighter in the ring, and he's also very entertaining outside the ring and very knowledgeable about martial arts and other areas of life. The two guys, they have a podcast together, which I became familiar with there recently, and they have very interesting conversations, so I'm looking forward to seeing more of those. But in this clip that I want to share with you, I saw this morning while drinking coffee just before coming here, and I wanted to share it with you because I think even though they're talking about martial arts, I think it's very relevant to jumping rope. So the new year is fast approaching, and maybe you want to learn how to jump rope, which is awesome. Jumping rope is so much fun, and it has so many health benefits. So before I continue talking, I'll share the clip and then I'll see you guys afterwards. All right, see you in a minute.
Sean said, don't say, I'm going to go twice a day, every day, because I want to be a fucking champion. No, like start a goal, start 2 times a week, start 3 times a week, and just stay consistent. Go in there with no ego. Like it's hard when you go in there and you get beat up by someone, you're like, oh fuck man, I'm not made out to be a fighter. I got tapped out by this brown belt 5 times. It's like, no, that fucking brown belt's been training for 7+ years. Like it has nothing to do with you that you're getting tapped out. It has to do with your skill levels.
And if you're not getting tapped out, then you're not in the right place. We find places like Tanquino's gym. We go there Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Pretty much, like I go there to get tapped out. I'm training with brown belts, black belts, going there knowing I'm about to get my ass whooped. Like that's just like going in there trying to win, knowing these guys have been doing jiu-jitsu way longer than me. I'm gonna get better. You get tapped out. It doesn't even suck getting tapped out anymore. It's just you're getting better. Like you feel that fire in you a little second. God, but it's okay. I got better. And like going to Tanquino's knowing that and having that mindset. That's how you should go to the gym, knowing like, okay, there's guys that are better than me. That's good. That's where you're supposed to be.
So in that video clip where they're talking about how to learn martial arts, at the very beginning, Tim Welch says, we can be so keen or enthusiastic to learn how to learn martial arts or even another skill, for example, like jumping rope, that we might want to do it every single day, or as he said, 2 sessions a day, twice a day. But that's not necessary. When I first started learning how to do, for example, jump rope double unders, I was so keen to learn how to do them. I was actually trying them every single day and sometimes twice a day. And because my technique was poor, I was putting a lot of force and unnecessary impact on my body. I was jumping so high off the ground and I was landing on the ground with far too much force. And because I was doing that far too often, I wasn't giving my body a chance to recover. It actually led to injury. So I would have been better off taking a step back. Rest and recovery can be good not only for our body, but also our mind. When we rest, it can help us learn a skill or process the activity that we're trying to learn. So you may have noticed before, if you were really trying to learn how to do something, and then you decided, I'm going to take a little bit of a break. The next time you go back to do that activity, you're actually sometimes able to do it even better than before. So rest can be important. So if you want to learn how to jump rope in 2022 or maybe down the road, you don't have to do it every single day. And if you do want to do it every day, start off slowly. Maybe do a few minutes and gradually add more minutes or more time to your workouts. You don't have to do too much too soon. Give your body a chance to kind of adapt to the activity and also your mind. So 2 or 3 days a week could be sufficient. Listen to your body. If you're doing maybe higher intensities workouts, you might need to do more infrequent workouts. Listen to your body, but you don't have to go out too hard at the very beginning. There's plenty of time. Be patient, and when you're learning a skill as well, like Sean O'Malley was saying, kind of leave your ego at the door. You could be a very physical person. You might have very great athleticism, but jumping rope might be difficult to learn how to do. So if you are learning how to do it, don't be discouraged if you're making mistakes. That's very natural. There's a learning curve. When you first start jumping, you might jump far too high off the ground. You might find that the rope gets twisted and caught in your feet a lot. That's perfectly normal. So expect to make mistakes. Just keep practicing, be patient, have fun, and you will certainly make progress. And let's say you get to a point that you become very good at jumping rope or martial arts. Maybe that's time to start advancing your skill set. Try to learn more advanced jump rope moves. And when you start learning more advanced jump rope moves, you become like a beginner again. You start making mistakes all over again. You have to be very patient. Don't be too hard on yourself. When you're learning new moves, expect to make mistakes. As Sean O'Malley said, he goes or visits certain martial arts gyms expecting to make mistakes, but ultimately he learns from those mistakes. He picks up new skills. The same with jumping rope. Keep adding new moves to your repertoire. Yes, you're going to make mistakes, but keep practicing, be patient. You're going to learn those moves. Your jump rope skill is going to get better. Your fitness is going to get better. You're going to have so much fun. So wishing you all a happy, healthy, fun 2022, I hope. And if you're learning how to jump rope, that's awesome. All right, see you again soon, hopefully.